How to send email using Outlook 2019. Go and click on the icon of Outlook to open it. You can click on the new email icon to open the message pane, or you can go to Home tab and click on the new email icon. You can click on From the menu button to open the drop-down list and select the email ID you wish to use to send your message. Enter the recipient into input box. You can add recipients in CC carbon copy. You can also add blind carbon copy or BCC. To add BCC, go to Options and click on the BCC icon. Now you can enter a recipient's address here. Write subject in subject input box and message in the body of the message pane. To customize your text, go to Format Text. You can use these word processing options and customize your text message. Now click on the Send button. Now you know how to send email using Outlook 2019. Thank you for watching.